Hey little kids, today I will learn you how to draw a very scary Halloween with spider. Here I am drawing two spider for you. You should follow me and try to draw with me how to draw a spider. This is a Halloween spider and it is very scary. I draw one spider and now it's time to draw another spider. Do you like Halloween spider? It looks so scary. Her teeth are so hard and so big. Do you scared of them? I really scared of them. I so scared about Halloween. Now I'm drawing the spider net. It's so easy. I draw the Halloween spider. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using red colors for the teeth and the eyes. I need to make it scary, so I am using the red color. Here I am using blue color for one spider. And now I am using the brown color, dark brown color for this spider. And now I'm making its legs as dark. So kids, if you follow me, you will also able to draw a Halloween spider like me. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more video. I will be back with new video. Till then, tata bye bye little kids.